Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, in today's video we're going to discuss, guys, the top 3 reasons if you have blue smoke coming out of your exhaust. Now, if you have Chrysler, Fiat, guys, that will apply to you, but pretty much any car will be that way too. As you know, Chrysler and Fiat, they work together, so the engines, guys, are actually used in Fiat, Chrysler, Lancia and Alfa Romeo vehicles as well, so you can find it in so many vehicles, the same engines. And if you guys have blue smoke, we'll explain the top 3 reasons, guys. Make sure you stay until the end. As you know, every car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's start on it now and explain, guys, what can cause that nasty blue smoke coming out of your exhaust. Blue smoke, guys, means that you're burning engine oil. What can cause your engine to burn oil? Now, it could be, guys, a few factors. And top 3 reasons, guys, we're going to start with number 1. This is your cylinder head, guys. Under your camshafts, you're going to find your valves. Okay, you have exhaust valves, intake valves. That cylinder head, guys, is full of oil here. Usually you have quite a bit of oil, so that oil, guys, in order not to enter, okay, to go down the valve and enter the engine, okay, in order to prevent it from entering the engine, you have valve seals. This is, guys, valve seal. What the valve seal does, it keeps the oil, guys, it's on the valve stem. Okay, they have different sizes depending on your engine. It's on the valve stem, installed on the cylinder head. And that valve seal, guys, actually, okay, will keep the oil from dripping inside the engine. If that seal gets old, cracked, wore out, guys, oil will find its way, guys, in the engine and you will start producing blue smoke because of burning engine oil. Now, that could be found mostly on higher mileage engines or engines that even are lower mileage but are older vehicles, because the seal, the rubber part, will crack from time, you know, it will dry out and you will, guys, develop a leak. That's reason number 1. Number 2, guys, this is your piston. That's what the piston looks like without the hose. Ignore the hose. But you have, guys, 3 piston rings. First one and the second one are known as compression rings. They keep the engine compression. Third ring is known as the oil ring. Wore out oil ring, guys, okay, wore out oil ring will cause, guys, okay, oil to make its way in the combustion chamber. It will burn when the fuel ignites and you start burning oil and producing blue smoke. So wore out oil rings. Number 3, guys, is kind of like number 2, very close, by the way, but your engine block will be wore out. The engine block, the cylinder wall will be wore out to the point, guys, okay, that there will be too big of a gap, okay, between the piston, and the engine block. The gap will be too wide. The piston ring will not be able, guys, to actually seal that gap, and engine oil will fill that gap and it will make its way in the cylinder wall, in the combustion chamber, and it will burn and you will burn oil, guys. So those are the top 3 reasons why, okay, you can produce blue smoke. So hopefully the video will be helpful, guys. If you want to see how to replace valve seals, that's number 1 most common, we'll have video on the channel coming soon. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.